Good afternoon. My name is Lunar, and as it's been already said, I'm a leader from Queen of the Universe Catholic Church. My church is a member of the Southwest Organizing Project. It is because of my work as a leader with the Southwest Organizing Project I met Sister Joanne and Sister Pat, who are Sisters of Mercy, always working on behalf of our immigrant brothers and sisters. Over a year and a half, I began reciting the Rosary outside of the Broadview Detention Center when I was able to. Later, I was invited by the Sisters of Mercy to be part of the pastoral care program. This is a program that brings pastoral care to immigrants from many different countries that are being detained at McHenry County Jail. I said yes to this calling. I cannot imagine myself ever being separated from my family. What can I say about my visits to McHenry County Jail? It's not been easy. I listen to their stories. Many of them are there for not having a valid driver's license, as they were coming back from work, or for working with an invalid social security number. I was really touched by a woman that came from Puebla, Mexico, traveling with her daughter. She was trying to get reunited with her husband after 10 years, but when she was close to Chicago, she was stopped by police, and she was sent to the McHenry Jail, and she was there for 2 months. In those 2 months, she was separated from her daughter, that was 10 years old also. She talked to her 2 times over the phone for those 2 months, and now her husband told her that her mom was dying in Mexico. So the only thing she wanted now was to go back as soon as possible so that she could reach her mom and see her maybe for the last time. Many of them are married with children and have a house that has to be paid. Most of them have little or no money to pay for a good lawyer to take their cases. When you arrive at McHenry County, you see the anguish and the tears in the detainees. The pastoral care program is there to share their prayers and their faith. The detainees are very receptive to these visits, maybe because we bring them hope, or they believe something good can happen soon to help them. In the last year, we have seen a growing number of deportations and no signs of a comprehensive immigration reform. We need to remind our leadership in Washington, D.C. to work for a just, comprehensive immigration reform that is needed for the good of millions of families. Thank you.